In this video, we will see how to crop images of different dimensions in Canva. Like this photo, you can see this of different sizes and dimension. So how to do that? Let's see the steps. Open a blank video page, click on Elements, then in the search box, search for cute images. Click on Photos. Let's select this photo. Now click on Crop. Here in the crop we have different aspect ratios. Like we select first one, freeform. Now when you reduce like this from any corner, you can reduce size, and in this way it's cropped using freeform. Now let's try again. Again select this same image, click on crop. This time we will select 9:16 ratio and adjust the image. Now click on done. You can see this is cropped in 9:16 ratio. Now let's select this image, click on crop. We will select 16:9 because here we need more in terms of width and less in terms of height. So 16:9 and click on done. You can see the image is cropped in 16:9 ratio. Now you can adjust from sides like this. Now let's again click on crop, and this time we will select 3:4 ratio. Here we want only face area, so adjust accordingly like this. And click on done. So face area will be cropped. We can place it here. Let's select another image. Let's select this image, 3:2 ratio. When you click on done, it's cropped with that dimension. Here you can see different dimensions. You can select among these any dimension. Let's select 1:1. Now you can see it's in square format. So friends, I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.